This craveable mushroom miso pasta makes a fast, flavor-packed 8-ingredient weeknight dinner. It features seared mushrooms in a miso butter garlic sauce. This recipe is loaded with umami, made without cream, and ready in 25 minutes. It's vegetarian and easily made vegan. Start by cooking your pasta until al dente. I like bucatini, but linguine or spaghetti works too. While the pasta cooks, sear your favorite mushrooms in a hot, dry skillet until brown. It's super important that your skillet is really hot before adding the mushrooms. Test it by flicking water on the pan. When large droplets bounce and skid around, then you know it's hot enough. Dry sautéing mushrooms is a method that minimizes the amount of oil because the water is cooked out of the mushrooms first. Once the mushrooms are brown on both sides, push them to the edges of the skillet. Add butter, garlic, and the white and light green parts of the scallion into the middle, and cook for 1 minute or until fragrant. Then toss to coat with the mushrooms and continue cooking for a couple more minutes. Add white miso, pasta water, and sriracha, stirring to mix. Finally, add the cooked pasta, Parmesan cheese, and the dark green parts of the scallion. Once the noodles are coated in silky sauce, finish with black pepper and more cheese, then dig in.